The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by StormSmart.
No matter the time of year, it's important for Florida homeowners to stay prepared for hurricane season and take advantage of solutions for a safer and better at-home living experience. Here with more on how to get the ultimate protection is Wally Glowicki with StormSmart. Welcome. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Doing good. Good to have you here today. Timing does matter in your line of work, so I want to hear about the guaranteed install before hurricane season that you have.
Yeah, so a lot of times people get through the holidays, they start to think about home improvement projects, and really the hurricane season, starting June 1st, will sneak up on you quickly. It takes about 8 to 10 weeks to go through permitting process and making sure that you have the right products. And so now is really the time to be prepared for the upcoming hurricane season and make those decisions so that you're prepared once those storms start to come through. Hopefully they don't this year, but if they do, you want to make sure that you're ready. And so we're making sure that people are aware that if they actually have their contract done now, we'll go through the process and they'll be totally prepared for hurricane season.
Nice. And StormSmart, we understand, offers a whole home solution. So it's lifestyle enhancements along with the hurricane protections. Tell me a little about that.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you look at every opening in your home. A lot of people will just look at their windows, but you also have to look at your doors and your sliders. And we want to make sure you have the right solution for that fortification of your home going into hurricane season. And we offer a full suite of products. So whether it's impact windows and doors, our storm catcher screens, or our aluminum roll down products, we want to make sure that your home is ready for that upcoming hurricane season.
All right, and you mentioned storm catcher. We've seen it here in studio before. We see the images here of all the great products, but storm catcher, that's your flagship product. So what makes this the ultimate go-to?
Yeah, so this is not only a hurricane product, but this is a product that you're going to use every day when you use your outdoor spaces. So simply rolling down that storm catcher screen, you're able to create a better space outdoors. And so you can see through the product. It's going to protect you. It's going to block the wind. It's going to block some of that dirt and debris that often gets on your patios. And so really it's a versatile product that's both storm protection as well as lifestyle enhancement.
Nice. It seems like there's a lot of things we can check off the list when you mention just this one product. If people want to see it in action for themselves, where can they go do that?
Yeah, so we have a brand new showroom in Bradenton, and it's our flagship showroom. We have multiple storm catcher screens as well as all of our products on display. So people can touch it, feel it, interact with it. We can show you how to use the mobile app so that our motorized screens are deployable simply by pushing the button on your phone. And it's really a great way to interact with our products.
Nice, Wally. It's always a pleasure having you here. And if you haven't done that in-person storm screen thing, it's really cool. All right, for more information, you can visit stormsmart.com or call 888-657-7876. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by StormSmart.